How to fix Strava GPS tracking issues. First, go somewhere with a clear view of the sky. Before starting your run, go outside and give your phone as much open sky as possible. Avoid starting inside a building, under tree cover, or between tall buildings. These can interfere with GPS signals. Now step 2, wait for the GPS to lock. Open Strava and wait a couple of minutes before moving. For particularly bad GPS reception, Strava recommends allowing 5 to 10 minutes for the receiver to acquire enough satellite information. Don't start running immediately just because Strava says GPS was acquired. Step 3. Turn location off and back on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Strava specifically recommends this as one of the basic troubleshooting steps. Now the other hack that I have for you is don't start recording while connected to Wi-Fi. If you're about to head outside, disconnect from Wi-Fi before starting the activity. Strava specifically recommends starting the activity without a Wi-Fi connection when troubleshooting GPS issues. Your mobile data can remain on. If you can, turn Wi-Fi and mobile data and Bluetooth all off. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.